Meanwhile, the Prime Minister is in Poland. He met with the diaspora and also said that India advocates peace in the region, hinting at the peace process that needs to take place in Eastern Europe, especially when it comes to the Ukrainian conflict. On Wednesday, Prime Minister Modi delivered an address to the Indian diaspora in Poland where he emphasized the need of dialogue and diplomacy under the current circumstances. He said that India is an advocate of permanent peace in the region right ahead of his visit to Ukraine. Prime Minister Modi has reiterated the mutual commitment that both nations share to democracy and pluralism, which further reinforces the relationship. Our colleague Vipin Chaubey brings us a ground report describing this in greater depth.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कहा था ये युद्ध का समय नहीं है, ये डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी का वक्त है। ये बात उन्होंने पिछले साल मॉस्को दौरे के समय राष्ट्रपति पुतिन के सामने कही थी। जाहिर है कि जब वो यूक्रेन के राष्ट्रपति ज़ेलेंस्की के सामने होंगे तो उनसे भी यही बात दोहराएंगे। इस बात से कोई इनकार नहीं कर सकता है कि पिछले कुछ बरसों में दुनिया में भारत का दबदबा बढ़ा है। इस दबदबे में आर्थिक तरक्की और विशाल और उभरता बाजार का अहम रोल है। इसके अलावा प्रधानमंत्री मोदी की वैश्विक नेताओं से केमिस्ट्री भी महत्वपूर्ण रोल अदा करती है।
Meanwhile, Modi began his visit on Wednesday by laying wreaths at the memorials to the rulers of Navnagar and Kolhapur, two erstwhile princely states that sheltered more than 6,000 Polish women and children during the World War II. Now, he also paid tribute at the monument of the Battle of Monte Cassino, which commemorates the campaign to capture the hilltop abbey near Rome in 1944. Hundreds of Indian soldiers serving in the British Army had died in this battle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a historic two-day visit to Poland, making it the first visit by an Indian premier in over 4 decades. The Ministry of External Affairs stated that Prime Minister received a ceremonial welcome at the airport in Warsaw, the host country's capital. On Friday, the Prime Minister also will be in Kyiv, which is the capital of the war-torn Ukraine region, in what will be the first ever visit by the Indian Prime Minister to Ukraine, which has been in war with Russia since February 2022. He is going there on the invitation of President Volodymyr Zelensky.
रूस और यूक्रेन के बीच शांति कौन स्थापित कर सकता है? इसका जवाब है चीन, तुर्की और भारत। लेकिन चीन और तुर्की पर पश्चिमी देशों का भरोसा बहुत ज्यादा कम है। वहीं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी पश्चिमी देशों के भी पसंद हैं और रूस की भी पसंद है। इसलिए माना जा रहा है कि उनका कीव दौरा शांति स्थापना की दिशा में अहम किरदार अदा करेगा।